Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another Mathematics in Action lesson. I am Carlette Diedrich, your mathematics teacher. Today, we will be exploring the concept of multiples and common multiples. When we are through exploring, you will be an expert at identifying multiples of a number and the common multiples of two or more numbers. Now, let's say you are on a field trip and you want to count the total number of students quickly before getting on a public bus. What are some ways you could count? Great job, boys and girls. You could go about it by counting by twos or threes, or have students form groups of 4 or 5 to count them. Can anyone tell and explain this method of counting? Excellent! This type of counting is called skip counting. Skip counting is the process of counting by the same quantity each time, and when you call each number in the list, those numbers are multiples of the number you are skip counting by. For example, when skip counting by threes, you would say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, etc. All these numbers are multiples of the number 3. Now here is a challenge for you. I am going to teach extra classes to two groups of 5th graders. Group 5D will have class every 4th day, including weekends, and Group 5C will have class every 6th day, including weekends. If I have to combine class on the 1st of the month, when next will I need to have another combined class? Now here is a game to help you solve this challenge. Are you ready? Task number 1. Grab any calendar that you can find. You have 15 seconds to do so, student. Now go, 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 go. Okay, time is up. 1 down, 2 to go. Very good. Are you ready? Task number 2. Choose any month from the calendar that you grab, starting from the first day in the month. Go ahead and skip count by 4. Color all the numbers you land on in red. You have 30 seconds to complete the task. Great job! These numbers are multiples of 4. 2 down, 1 to go. Get ready for task number 3. Here it goes. Looking at the same month, skip count by 6, starting from the first day of the month. Color the numbers you land on in blue. You have 30 seconds to complete this task. Good job, boys and girls. Wow, boys and girls. Let us try this problem together. What do we know and what do we want to find out? We know Group 5D has class every 4th day and Group 5C has class every 6th day. We need to find the days which are common between the 4th and 6th days. Did you color the numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28? Great job! These numbers are multiples of 4. Now let us skip count by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Wow! These are all multiples of 6. Boys and girls, I want you to look closely at the numbers you colored and tell me what you observe. Great job! We have a similar number colored in red and blue. The numbers 12 and 24 were colored in red as multiples of 4, and the numbers 12 and 24 are also colored in blue as multiples of 6. Oh, do you remember the color wheel? Red and blue when mixed give the secondary color purple. So what does the color purple represent in this instance? Yes, the color purple represents the common multiples of 4 and 6. Now, let us use your findings to answer challenge 1. My next combined class will be on the 12th day, then again on the 24th, and on every nth day, which is a common multiple of 4 and 6. Way to go, boys and girls. You are doing a terrific job. Challenge number 2. Let us take a closer look at this scenario and see exactly what the question is asking. Elena is buying cups and plates for her birthday party. Cups are sold in packs of 8 and plates are sold in packs of 6. She wants to have the same number of plates and cups. Help Elena figure out the number of cups and plates to buy. First, let's analyze this task. What do you know and what do you want to find out? We know that Elena wants to buy cups that are sold in packs of 8 and plates that are sold in packs of 6. We want to find a common number of plates and cups to meet her requirement. Can we use diagrams to help us to show what we know and want to find out? Give it a try. Are the attempts of 2 groups. Group 1 used tables to assist them in arriving at a solution. Great, Group 1. Let us discuss their approach. The first table represents the number of cups and the second table tells the number of plates. In the multiplications in the top row of each of the tables, it tells us the number of packs of cups and plates that Elena may need. In the second row, the products are found to give the multiples of 8 and 6. Can you tell what should come in the third row? Awesome! They listed the multiples of 8 and 6 in sequential order. The first 4 multiples of 8 were 8, 16, 24, and 32. And the first 5 multiples of 6 were 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. This was as far as they got. What would group 1 need to do to find the solution? Very good. Yes, boys and girls, you are paying keen attention. We need to identify the numbers that are common multiples of both 8 and 6. And what numbers are these? Very good. 24 is a common multiple of 8 and 6. Therefore, Elena could have 24 cups and 24 plates. Now, here is the approach of group 2. They decided to use a Venn diagram to illustrate the multiples and common multiples of 8 and 6. Can you explain what they did? Great job! They listed the multiples of 8 and 6, which are as follows. The multiples of 8 were 8, 16, 24, 32, and the multiples of 6 were 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. They then identified the common multiples of 8 and 6, which is 24. They drew a Venn diagram with 2 circles overlapping. They placed the multiples of 8 and 6 in their respective circles, but put the common multiple 24 in overlapped portion to show the intersection. The 24 in the intersection means that it is a multiple of both 8 and 6. Now students, let us explore a bit further. Name 2 other quantities of plates and cups Elena could get to meet her requirement. Excellent job, boys and girls. If we continue our list of multiples of 8 and 6, Elena could get 48 of each if she gets 6 packages of cups and 8 packages of plates. She could also get 72 of each if she gets 9 packages of cups and 12 packages of plates. Do you think we could have more multiples and common multiples if we continue? Great thinking. The 3 dots that follow the multiples indicate that you could go on and on indefinitely. That's all for today, students. Hope you had fun identifying multiples and common multiples of numbers. See you next time.